Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you exactly how to redeem and use an Amazon gift card on your desktop browser. Before we start, make sure you have your gift card claim code ready from your email or physical card. Let's get started. First, log into your Amazon account. Move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over Account and Lists, then click Account. From the Account dashboard, find the Gift Cards option and click it to open your gift card balance page. Now, look for Redeem a Gift Card and click it. You'll see a box where you can enter your claim code. Type or paste your code into the box, then click Apply to your balance. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the gift card amount will be added to your Amazon gift card balance. Now let's see how to use that balance when shopping. Add an eligible item to your cart and click Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, look under the Payment Method section. If your gift card balance is available, you can choose to apply it toward your purchase. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the full order total, Amazon may allow you to use another available payment method for the remaining amount. And that's it. You now know how to redeem an Amazon gift card and use the balance when making a purchase. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon guides. Thanks for watching.